school after winter break, so what parents should know about keeping their kids safe from COVID-19. A Valley pediatrician says that she right now is seeing more kids at hospitals with COVID.
13 Action News reporter Chen is live outside of Abston Elementary School with what families can do to stay safe. Jeremy.
Yeah, Todd and Tricia, right now within CCSD, there is a mask mandate in place and many students might be wearing cloth masks like the one I'm holding. However, the pediatrician I talked to says instead of using this, use this, an actual surgical mask, in order to protect your kids from the Omicron variant. With kids returning to school in Clark County this week, it comes at a time with COVID-19 cases rising in kids. Pediatrician Evelyn Montalvo-Stanton with UNLV says she's seen an increase at some hospitals.
Our numbers have increased a lot at Sunrise and Room C, so we're seeing a lot more kids getting admitted to the floor, but more importantly in the pediatric ICU setting.
She says compared to last year, there's been an increase of about 25 to 30%. Dr. Montalvo-Stanton says she's seeing both vaccinated and unvaccinated kids at the hospital. She says there's a clear difference in how the virus is affecting them, with vaccinated kids faring much better.
Compared to those that are unvaccinated, who are coming in a lot more sicker and getting admitted to the ICU.
She says if parents notice symptoms like loss of taste and smell, coughing, or fever in their child, they should go to their pediatrician to get checked and tested. Severe cases should go to the hospital.
If they are in respiratory distress or they're very sick and they're dehydrated, because we're seeing a lot of kids that are not able to tolerate any oral feeds, then they need to go to the emergency room.
As kids return to the classroom, Dr. Montalvo-Stanton says it may be a good idea to replace cloth masks with better protection.
Since this Omicron is so infectious, the ideal thing is to have an N95 mask, but obviously we can't use it in our pediatric population. So having a surgical mask would be the best thing to use.
And the doctor is also urging parents that if their child is eligible, to get them vaccinated to give them the best protection from serious illness. Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.